So you can see here we're in a beautiful estate on the roof, and this roof's all been restored by another company. Comfort Zone Insulation is just here doing the insulation. But I've done this top bit, and now I'm just doing my roof check, and the roof all looks good. But whoever restored the roof, or that, I mean, who knows, it might have been okay before they did it, but there's this pipe here that doesn't actually do anything. It goes straight down into the roof, and it doesn't have a cap on it, and so rain's pouring straight down into there, straight onto the ceiling. And you know, whoever did their restoration probably should have told them that there could have been pulled out of the roof and a tile put back in, because it's not doing anything. But as it is, their plaster's all sagging on the ceiling and getting damaged. So I'll let the customer know, and they can fix that up.